Located at the top of a mountain where there was a previous property, Wing House completely reimagined the relationship between the terrain and the building. The house creates a harmoniously contrasting connection between the landscape and the architecture, using partially underground spaces and emerging transparent volumes. The topography of the terrain was designed to maximize the use of existing semi-flat surfaces as outdoor living areas, while the main functional elements are accommodated between retaining walls. All access to the house is through this topographic base, which gradually reveals the surrounding landscape through sinuous passages. Technical and service areas are distributed through the base, including central air conditioning, parking, and laundry, allowing all systems to be centrally controlled and monitored for efficiency. It also features amenities linked to outdoor activities, such as a gym and sauna. The main social and living areas of the house are on top of this pedestal, in a volume made of glass and granite, resembling a pavilion. The curved roof extends beyond the building's limits, providing protection for the living and dining areas. Large glass panels slide completely into the walls, allowing the internal spaces to be completely open to the outside. The external walls of the base are made of pigmented concrete, while the upper volume is made of galvanized steel structure with drywall coating covered with Frejo and Kumar wood. The curved roof is composed of steel table and concrete slabs with waterproofing made on thermomolded film. The interior cladding is made with 3 cm by 3 m Kumar pieces, while the exterior areas are clad in basaltite. The gardens were designed with typical native plants of the Atlantic forest. Wing House establishes a unique connection with the terrain, enhancing its natural beauty, while its facilities apply updated and energy-efficient technologies. The house is a unique example of the interaction between an abstract spatial concept and complex infrastructure systems.